Hello, Ella Rhodes here, and today I am going to do the Silver Glide Championship because I've never done a champ on camera that wasn't in a sec. Okay, no more looking at chat. I can't look at chat or else it'll mess me up. Yeah, so we're gonna do this champion because I've never actually recorded any championship that wasn't Moorland or Fort Pinta on camera. So yeah, we're doing this, and we're on Onyx Magic. I didn't give him a bath or anything on camera because I was actually I started recording the first second. Yeah, so that's fun. Wow, we're actually in the lead. Fun. This never happens. We're in second place. The score chart doesn't say we're in second place, but we are in second place. No, get out of my way. It's my championship medal. Mine. So yeah, that would be amazing if I could get first, second, or third medal, because any of them would work. I just really need one of them. Well, I don't need them, but I want them, that's for sure. Oh, but I don't want to bump into that wall, because that's not a fun thing to do. It's just not. Don't ask questions, people. You should know why it's not a fun thing to bump into a wall while you're doing a championship. And all these people have slower horses than me, but I did the stupid thing and got caught. Ouch. That hurt me, horse. Great, and all of those people are great, and now I'm stuck, and now I'm going to be in 19th place, and yeah, we're not going to finish the championship. Fun. I shall keep recording it anyhow, because that's what we do. Oh great, and now we get the fun field, that's what I call it. Just don't feel right soon. I should have ridden Wish Brother, because Wish Brother, I actually rode him, yesterday, and that's actually where I was. Yesterday, I didn't record because I was riding Wish Brother. Come on, get ahead, get ahead, get ahead. Hashtag evil cows and evil sheep. Because, those sheep, they make you stop. Oh, yeah, I think she stopped again. That's nice of her. That means I can push ahead. Hashtag evil cows and evil sheep. Because evil sheep and evil cows make you stop. So, yeah, that's not fun. Ugh, why do I always mess up on championships? Great, now I'm going to be in 12th place. Started out in second and first place, and now I'm in second place. No, I'm kidding. More like 15,000th place. Yay! So yeah, we are actually going to head back to our stable. We're going to call a guy I know. Oh, yay, she was just doing that special move. Hello, and so I was gonna try to start a Walk Trot Canter show, but nobody really wanted to do a Walk Trot Canter show. I set up something where it was Walk Trot Canter show at Moorland, say trot to join, and nobody said trot, so yeah, that didn't work, and I was gonna do that on Wish Brother, but then I figured out that this championship was happening, so I ended up just riding Onyx Magic in this championship. I would have ridden Wish Brother in this championship, but I was noticing as I was galloping along that Onyx Magic is a lot faster. So yeah, I actually, at 5 minutes, I was here, 5 minutes till the championship, and then I called for pickup quickly, and I got on Onyx Magic. So I'm going to stop talking because I am doing a championship, and it might distract me. Ugh, people, get out of my way. It's my championship to win. Mine. What? Whoa. My horse has flying abilities. If ever I jump and, like, my horse never, like, doesn't jump, he'll, like, fly up sometimes. It's really cool. I really need to pass some of these people, or else bad things will happen. So yeah, tell me where the draft is, because my computer is doing this weird thing where, like, it won't update for some reason. I don't know if it's the internet or whatever. I just know that it doesn't work and that I just jumped that the wrong way. So yeah, that was fun. No, it wasn't. Now I'm gonna lose. No, I can't win. Okay, yes. Everybody knows, Ella, that you cannot win. You cannot win. You are in 8th place, which actually I'm quite surprised. So yeah, hopefully one of these people, like, slam into something, and then I can reclaim my, first place. My first place is mine. No, what's that person think she's doing? Or they're doing, I should say. Like, really? What are they doing? Get out me way! And where did they come from, more importantly? Like, where were they all of this time that I was, like, in 8th place? Probably slammed or something. Slammed is what I call it when, like, people slam on something. They, hit something. Yes! Get up! Here's where we beat this person. I really need that horse, so, like, tell me where you get that horse. That's right, over. At least I got over. What? What was that? No. Bad. Bad person. I need to, like, go ahead of you. Excuse me, what do you think you're doing? What? How am I in 10th? No, 10th place is a very scary place. Yay, now I'm gonna be in 9th. Get up, boy. See, my trick is you be smart and you don't slam on the brakes. Ah, dang it, I was in... Oh, wait. I almost forgot about the shortcut. Ugh! What's that person doing, and what am I doing, more importantly? What am I doing? No, literally, what am I doing? Why am I going so slow? Ugh, now I'm in 9th. Fun. Anywho, I really hope that... Wait, what time is it? I need to check the time. Oh, dang it. The next championship is in, like, 25 minutes. 25 minutes is a long time. You age a lot in between the time that of 20 minutes and stuff. So yeah, I might record the Moorland Championship, but I might not. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking like this because some people are gonna hate my video. Yeah, so that was fun. Who knows? I might do the Moorland Championship. I might not, but yeah, dinner's soon, so yeah, maybe I won't. See you in a sec. I'll be doing stuff between then. Bye! So, yeah, we're back. We're not going to do that championship. So, yeah, we're just going to, I actually managed to start a walk, trot, canter. So, yeah. Dang it. Starting. Trot. Good, so that person, Piper, she's way up because she started off right away. I don't know, I think she's just doing a bit of stuff because she needed to go behind somebody. Now we're going to do a diagonal, which is die. So, I just need to wait until they get there. Dang it, why's that person cantering? So yeah, Piper's still probably the best out of all of these. Die! Dang it, I did it too late. Sorry. Die. Dang it. Die. Okay, good. They did it. Here at mid. Rear at mid. I don't know what that person is doing. So yeah, she did the best in that. Okay, wow. Wow, okay, so far it's Piper or her, so now... Okay, okay. Person on the pony, come line up, please. Okay, person on pony, come line up, please. I'm sorry, that sounded rude, but like... Eva. What's that person doing? Okay, she's not in our group. I thought she was just... Okay, I don't know. Okay, good. She's coming. Thanks. XDD. So yeah, don't be mad if I'm bad at doing this. I'm good. I'll just, okay. Canter. And then it's gonna be split at wall. Split at wall. Good, so hopefully they'll split. Okay, good. Other way, guys! So nobody actually split. Great. We're gonna try the diagonal again. Okay, good. They're continually going. That's good. So yeah, I love the Yorvik Arena. Die! Ugh, they missed it. Oh, dang it. I'm bad at this. Split at wall. So I think it's still Eva who's the best. I gotta do it right. Split at wall. Hopefully they actually split this time. Yeah, so Eva is quite good. She is actually doing quite good. So I hope I can tell Eva that she won, and then I'll tell her that I recorded all this. Dang it, that person didn't split. Ugh, well, oh well. Okay, now we're gonna do merge into line at die. Merge into line at die. Oh, that didn't work. Dang it. Oh well, they're just gonna die, went there, and then they're gonna merge into line. I don't know how this is gonna work. It's a hard test. Let's just say that much. That's right. There you go. They got confused. So sorry, my fault. So sorry, my fault. Okay, time for our winners. All of you did great, but one of you stood out. Stood out. Stood out. Eva Kun. Wow, was it me? No, XD. Kun. Okay, so that was our show. See you guys next time. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye! Goodbye. It was Eva.